Okay, I'm here to record my conversation with Grayson. What are you doing right now?
Driving this.
You're driving it? What are you gonna do? Wow, it's so good. Thank God it's not on, huh? Because we'd be in the street right now. This is a big bulldozer, in case everyone's wondering. And there's a big muddy one right over there that Grayson keeps saying he wants. Do you want to go on that bulldozer?
No.
No. You like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is your favorite one, huh?
That's muddy. That's a muddy one.
Yep. That's muddy, all right.
Driving.
Wow. All right, I'm gonna take a picture.